Okay, it's Thursday, May 9th, 2013. Here are your objectives for the day. Common Core Standards, 21st Century Learning Skills and Themes, content objectives, what you're going to learn, language objectives, how you're going to learn it. Today you're going to analyze and define academic vocabulary, and you're going to read an informational text, actually two of them, and then go into Moodle and answer what are called text-dependent questions like we normally do. So let's go ahead and take a look at the story we're going to read today. First one is about in the state of Washington, which is up in the northwest part of the United States. Normally in Washington they have a lot of rain, 50 to 60 inches per year, and compared to Reno where we only have 7, so they get a lot of rain. It's wet all the time, and so they had a period of time where they had some unusually good weather. It was sunny and warm, and so the principal of one of the schools up there decided that it'd be nice to have what they called a Sunday instead of a snow day, a Sunday, so all the kids and all the teachers got a day off just for that reason. So we're going to read all about that. Here's your vocabulary: deprived, prompted, anticipation, surveyed, critical thinking challenge, and here's some text-dependent questions. Map of the state of Washington. It's surrounded by Oregon, Idaho, Nevada's down here, and then Canada's up here to the north of the state of Washington. Next story is about how an artist, a Dutch artist, someone from Holland, made a big rubber ducky 6 stories high, floated into harbors in certain Asian cities, and we're going to learn how it happened in Hong Kong, which is by China. And so here's all about it. Here's the name of the artist from Holland, or they're called Dutch people. And so we're going to learn all about that. Here's the different cities they went to. Okay, and here's your vocabulary: story, tugboat, deflated, anchored, critical thinking challenge, and text-dependent questions. And here's some questions where I'm going to teach you a little bit about Hong Kong, what it's all about. Here's a map of Hong Kong right down here in the bottom, surrounded by China, one of the most densely populated areas in the world. So here's your glossary. Let's go ahead and take a look at Moodle, seeing what you're doing in Moodle. Okay, lesson, 2 videos, daily quiz. Your daily quiz today is different. Today you have to do 4 short answer where you're going to be analyzing the articles that you've read, and you'll be required to write 40 words per question, and it has to be good writing, not just a bunch of junk. It needs to make sense and tie into the article to show that you understood it. And so that's what we're doing today.